Why are you afraid of editing videos? This online tool makes it easy. If you can edit an email, you can edit a video, even if you've never made a video before in your life. Today, we're going to turn a podcast into a YouTube video. We just want to polish it up a little bit and add some captions to it. Let me show you how easy this is. To get started, choose the Edit Video Using Text tool, then click the Proceed button. You'll see two ways to upload your video. Paste in a YouTube link here at the top, or click the Upload button to choose a video from your computer and click Proceed. Pictory is now transcribing your video and automatically adding subtitle captions for you. This can take a minute, so just let it do its thing. Okay, now let's edit your transcript. You'll see your video transcription here on the left side of your screen, along with some editing controls here in the top toolbar. Notice how Pictory automatically detects multiple speakers for you. You can even add the names of each speaker to help you organize your editing. Next, quickly read through your transcript to correct any errors you may see. Just select the text you want to edit and a pop-up menu will appear. Choose the Edit Text option and make your changes. When you delete words and sentences from your transcript, they are automatically deleted from your video. These next two features are really cool. Notice all of these ums and uhs in your transcript. Watch how you can easily remove filler words from your entire video with a click of a button. I love this feature. This feature was made for me. Next, you can instantly remove silences and long pauses from your video. Pictory shows silences in your transcript as these little squares. I'm going to tell it to remove any silences over 1 second, and then click OK and watch them disappear. Easy peasy. Next, notice the undo and redo buttons here at the top. You also have the ability to search text to find key moments in your video. Here on the right side of your screen, you'll see the video preview area. Once you've made your edits, you can instantly play back your video to preview your changes. Now let's style our captions. Here below the preview video, you'll see that the subtitles option is selected for you. You can turn this off and on to remove or add captions to your video. You'll also notice that max lines is set to 1 by default. This tells Pictory how many lines your caption should be for each scene in your video. Next, you can change the template style for your captions. Simply choose a preset from the templates library. You can find that here on the right under the preview video. Try a few out by clicking on them and you'll see that they are instantly applied throughout your video. This one looks good. Once you're happy with your video, you can click on the download video button here in the top right corner. And that's it! Editing your videos has never been easier. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see our latest product features and tutorials.